Hello, bachcho. The question says the largest refracting telescope in the world is at Yerkes Observatory in Williams Bay, Wisconsin. The objective of the telescope has a diameter of 1.02 meter. The two objects are 3.75 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter from the telescope. With light of wavelength 565 nanometer, how close can the objects be to each other so that they are just resolved by the telescope? So first of all, we will see the key concept for this question. So its key concept is that we are going to use the relation for minimum angular separation, that is Rayleigh's criterion for telescope. Rayleigh's criterion. That means when theta is minimum or very small, we will take theta minimum is equals to 1.22 into lambda upon d, where lambda is the wavelength of light and d is the aperture diameter of the telescope. Now we are given in the question that lambda is equals to कितना है? Lambda में दे रखा है 565 nanometer, or we can write it as 565 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 meter. So ये चीज हमें given है, साथ साथ में diameter given है, that is 1.02 meter, और इसके साथ हमें एक और चीज given है, that is the distance from the telescope of the objects, that is capital L 3.75 into 10 raised to the power 4 meter. So जो भी चीज हमें given है, we have written it. Now let's calculate theta minimum. So theta minimum is equals to 1.22 into lambda, that is 565 into 10 raised to the power minus 9 divided by d, that is 1.02. So when you will calculate it, you will get your answer as 6.76 into 10 raised to the power minus 7 after rounding it off, and it will be in radians. Now we have calculated theta minimum, but we are asked कि हमें निकालना है how close can the objects be to each other. So basically we have to find out the separation y. So if y is the separation, then हम जो formula next formula use करने वाले हैं, that will be y is equals to L into theta minimum, where L is the distance to the stars. So we can write y is equals to L हमें दे रखा है 3.75 into 10 raised to the power 4 multiplied by theta minimum, that is 6.76 into 10 raised to the power minus 7. अब जब इसे calculate करेंगे and after multiplying it, we will get our answer as 254 into 10 raised to the power minus, if we direct, or we can directly write it as 254 10 raised to the power minus 4 meter, or our answer will be 0.0254 meter. That is the answer. So yes, these objects will be separated by this much small distance. Thank you, and I hope you have understood this well, and best of luck.